What's going on, guys? Out here at a no cooling call. Got a 2004 Lennox system, and the customer said that she wasn't cooling. Got out here, and when I came around the house I could hear the compressor running without the outdoor fan. As you can see, somebody's replaced this condenser fan before, and this is a perfect example of why you don't put your wires like that. Because, take a look, you can see how it's corroded, been rubbing. But look at this, if I grab this, look at that, completely disconnected. So what we're gonna do, I told the customer I could fix this up. If you take a screwdriver and try to spin this blade down here, it's easy to tell that she's pretty stiff, doesn't spin free. So I gave the customer two options. One, I could fix these wires, tuck them back in, cool the motor down and try to run it, or I can replace the motor. So the customer opted just to have this motor replaced, so that's what we're going to do. Also, I'm going to put this in place of these wires, so it'll be underneath, covered, secured, so junk like this doesn't happen. Because if this were to touch against this housing, it could easily short out, injure somebody, or cause just general issues. So that can be easily prevented. So I'm going to pop this motor out, we're going to put in a new one and put it in the right way. This job's full of hackery. Check this out. When I pop the top, first thing I noticed was that compressor bolt, and there's no bolts in the compressor. So I'm sure she shimmies and shakes around. But yeah, thought that was interesting. But got the blade off. I'm about to take the motor off right now. As you can see, she's leaked some serious oil. So we'll get her changed out. Well, everything's back together and up and running. As you can see, I tried to clean up the wires a little bit in here. Nothing's dangling around. This was a 4-wire, which I never mentioned, but we have it wired as a 2-wire, excuse me, as a 3-wire. Haven't figured out how to wire it as a 2-wire yet. But have this 4-wire wired in as a 3-wire, and you just take the brown lead with the white stripe, and I just tape that off. I didn't cut it off because if somebody, for whatever reason, wants to use it sometime down the road, they still have the option. But our 35.5 UF capacitor right there, the 5 was still doing 5.0, so we were good to go there. Had a capacitor just in case, but I didn't need it. So, but hindsight being 2020, I would have made the little PVC sleeve just a hair longer. As you can see, about an inch longer would have covered everything. But we don't have any electrical connections out in the elements anymore. Hopefully you can hear me. It's super windy out here, but yeah, there's no electrical connections. That's just the end of the wires as they double back and tuck down into the sleeve. But other than that, I'm gonna let it run for a few minutes, double check the charge, make sure everything else is good, and we'll head on to the next one. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.